Hello, my friend. So going forward on my channel, I want you to be involved in my channel way more than you've ever been. And one of the ways that I want you to be involved is to have you help influence what I'm reviewing on this channel. So what I decided to do was I asked on my YouTube community tab what drugstore products I should buy. So I'm gonna take your suggestions and only your suggestions, and we're gonna go shopping and have a little bit of fun. So if that sounds interesting to you, hang tight. We're getting into it right now. This video is sponsored by Native Deodorant. If you have been watching my channel for a while, you know a little over a year ago I switched over to natural deodorant. I will link that video down below for you in case you'd like to know what my journey was switching over from traditional deodorant to natural deodorant, and Native was the natural deodorant that I ended up settling on after some pretty intense dislikes of some of the natural deodorants that I tried. So when Native reached out to me to ask me if I wanted to do sponsored videos with them, I was so excited because I was already using and loving the product. And if you are new to Native, I do want to share with you their new eco-friendly packaging. It is 100% recycled paperboard and it is super fab. This is the one that I've been using in the plastic packaging that I'm working my way through before I switch over to the plastic free. Both of these do have the same amount of product in them, just different shaped packaging. And the way that you use the plastic free version is you take that off and it's like a push pop, like old school style, if you remember those. And then you take this, push it up just a little bit, squeeze it just a little bit, and then apply. And then when you let go, it just falls back down. Native is a partner with 1% for the planet. So if you do choose the plastic free packaging, 1% of all of the sales will go to environmental nonprofits. Unlike some of the other natural deodorants that I tried, Native is not sticky. It doesn't leave your armpits feeling wet or icky. It feels a lot like traditional deodorant. But honestly, as a very olfactory person, one of my favorite things about Native are the different scents. So the one that I've been using is the cucumber and mint, and this is available in the plastic free as well. It smells exactly like you would imagine. It's just very fresh and clean smelling. Absolutely love that. I also really love the coconut and vanilla. Again, smells exactly the way that you would imagine. And then this one is the citrus and herbal musk. So this one is just a little bit sexier. As far as ingredients go, they are all aluminum free, paraben free, and sulfate free. And they also have natural ingredients like coconut oil and shea butter in them. When it comes to vegan and cruelty free, this is a cruelty free brand, and the traditional deodorants are also vegan. Native also has free shipping to the US right now, but they also ship to many, many other countries. I will put those there for you so you can check out to see if Native ships to you. You can purchase Native deodorants in a lot of stores, but if you want a discount, I of course have a discount code for you on the plastic free option. You can get 3 of them. It's usually $39, but the code that I will provide for you is $29, and that's 25% off of your choice of 3. So the code is right here for you in order to use. I will also put it in the video description in case you forgot what it is, because I forget things. So I understand when other people forget things too. So thank you again to Native for sponsoring this video. I love being a Native partner, and I love promoting something to you that I personally use and absolutely love. And I know so many people in the community love it too. So thank you again to Native, and let's go ahead and get into the shopping. So I think I had over 300 responses to my call to action on what I should buy at the drugstore. So I looked, and the most popular comment was from Sid, who says, how about some skincare / self-care items like a stay-at-home and pamper yourself sort of products, face, hand, and feet masks, body scrubs, lotions, or oils, good face serums, and moisturizers. Yes, I love this idea so much. So what I'm gonna be doing when I go to the stores, I'm gonna be looking for products that fit into that category, and then maybe we can do like a try on, pamper myself kind of thing, whether it's a live stream or an edited video, just kind of showing you those products. But I'll show you how I would pick those products going into the drugstore. So I'm super excited about that. And then I have a list of some of the most popular drugstore items that you all requested. So we're gonna go look for those, and hopefully we can find them. Sometimes when things are super new, my drugstores just don't have them. So I'm crossing my fingers. I may have to go to multiple stores. We will see. So I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to start this. Here we go. Okay, I got my camera. All right, here we go. Oh my gosh, you can see all the mess that's behind me on my desk. Edited. Don't look there. Don't look there. It's a mess over there. All right, let's go ahead and go. And we're gonna go to the store together, and I'm excited. So we're gonna go upstairs. And let's go do some shopping.
I hope you have a fun shopping trip.
Thank you.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna go to CVS. See how that
CVS?
goes. Yeah, CVS. Yes. All right. Have fun eating lunch. Mwah.
Thanks.
Love you.
Love you.
See you when we get back.
All right.
Good vibration. Such a sweet sensation. All right, I made it to the CVS. So I'm hoping they have what we want, what you want. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. Do you know anything about Joa Beauty? I never heard anybody talking about it. Ooh, Milani. That's what people want. We want the cream blushes. And wah, wah, wah. That's sad. Yes, I found the lifter glosses. Woohoo! Okay, so we're gonna stick to Basic Gen. Not this one. That one looks cool. Supposedly these are a dupe for the Fenty glosses. So this one is in the shade Brass. I like that one. Ooh, there's e.l.f. I see it. I'm coming for you. Coming for you. Do you have the putty blushes? Looks like all they have is the multi-stick and the blush palette. Arrgh. Oh my gosh, they have this new like beauty devices section. Check this out. This is an automatic makeup brush cleaner. And what it looks like it does is you prepare a bowl of soapy water, you dip the bristles in the water, and you press it to spin. It's like a device that just does what your hand can do going like this. Man, oh my gosh, what does this world come to? This is kind of interesting. So you're supposed to put on like a mask that's supposed to sit there like a cream, and then you're supposed to put this on and it's supposed to help it absorb. So maybe we'll get this and try that as part of our pampering. It's freaking close to $12 though. Oh no, let's try it. Let's try it. Okay, I'm looking for something that's drugstore priced. Some of the stuff is really freaking expensive. It's like, oh my gosh. So let's look at this Pond stuff. So this, I kind of looked at the ingredients of them. This one looks okay. This one looks pretty good. We've got glycerin and we've got niacinamide. We've got some retinol propionate, which is, you know, vitamin A derivative. So let's go ahead and try this with our mask that we just got. You know, it's so funny. If I didn't already have something in my face, I might actually get this. This actually does not look terrible. Like looking at it, I mean, I don't know how much of these ingredients are in here, but I mean, we've got humectants and we've got antioxidants and all kinds of good stuff in here. This actually does not look bad. I would get that. Maybe I'll get that too, and then we'll choose. We'll figure it out later. Maybe you can leave in the comments whether you think I should do the other one or this one. Maybe we'll just do both. Whatever. Let's just have fun. This actually looks really nice as like a last step. So the daily hydration overnight facial oil, it's basically just like a ton of moisturizing stuff. Like not a lot of hydration, but lots of moisturizing to balance oil on the skin and to make sure your skin has good moisture. So I think I'm gonna try this. Oh look, they have one of the peely foot masks things. Is this too gross? I can just put a timestamp and people can skip it. They don't want to see. But I mean, it looks like it's got humectants and it's got tons of chemical exfoliators, but they look like pretty gentle chemical exfoliators. So I don't know how much this is gonna peel, but it's definitely gonna feel cool because we've got the tea tree and the peppermint. So that should be interesting. Let's do it. All right, couple of requests to go see the As Seen on TV section. There isn't a ton of stuff. There's a lot of hair removal stuff, which is kind of weird to me. Dermosuction, oh, that scares me. That's terrifying. No, thank you. If you use this kind of things, good for you, but that scares me personally. Okay, so I'm thinking about sticking to like the makeup stuff. So maybe doing like this Bella Brow, it's $10. And we can get our dream look. That looks cool. I was gonna get the airbrush foundation, but this looks like it's not the right shade. I have one. Did I mention they only have one? It's not gonna work for too many people. All right, I think that's it. I got my basket, let's go check out. And then I think we're gonna have to go to Ulta because there's lots of things that they didn't have that I wanted. So I think we're gonna have to take a second trip. We get to hang out longer, yay. These receipts are insane. Gosh, oh, I ripped it. Yes, I ripped it. I legit almost just walked out with the basket because I'm like not used to filming as I'm shopping. I almost just stole the basket. Only me stealing the basket. So let's go ahead, and we've got about, I don't know, about a 15-20 minute drive to Ulta. So we'll see if they have the Milani cream blush, some of the e.l.f. stuff, and I got the Maybelline, so we're good there. All right, see you in a bit. I just discovered that my car has Sirius XM radio. I think it's like a free for a year thing. I just got a new car not that long ago. So I'm enjoying the Sirius XM. It brings me back to the days of actual radio. But it doesn't have commercials, which was the worst part of regular radio. If you listen to Sirius XM, what are your favorite stations? What is this? This is called 90s on 9, and I'm enjoying it very much. I'm noticing I really feel like I like 90s music the best when I have to choose a decade. I guess because I was a teenager in the 90s, and that's like the quintessential time to really like have iconic moments in your life is like your teenage years. So maybe that's why I'm enjoying the 90s music the most. Which way am I going? Okay. I need to make sure I keep paying attention to what I'm doing because I mostly drive by myself. It's rare. And if I am driving with someone, it's my daughter who doesn't talk to me much anyway because she's a tween and everything I do is sus and oh mom and all of that. And if my son is in the car, he's mostly just talking and not really listening because he's 9 and his whole world is like right here for the most part when it comes to storytelling. And you know, it's neither one of them is a conversation right now, so I'm not used to talking to anybody in the car, so I need to make sure I pay attention to what I'm doing with driving because it would be terrible if I crashed on camera. That would be awful. I would not enjoy that. All right, we made it to Ulta. So our main mission, Milani cream blushes, e.l.f., the ones that look like Stila, and the other e.l.f., the e.l.f. cream blushes. Those are the major things. Oh, and then a holiday gift set, some kind of holiday gift set, because I didn't see any at CVS. So let's see if we can find them. I think I'm good for now. Thank you, though. I appreciate it. Oh, they have the wallet too. Oh, do I want that? I think I might want that. See, but there's so many blues in it. It's like, they're so similar. I think they're going to be similar on the eye, like that Fury and the Dream shade. I don't know. See, maybe I'll get this one. That one I like. I don't want to feel like I have another Juvia's Place palettes. Maybe I'm gonna get this one. Like, I know it's Morphe, but I always get excited to see YouTubers. Like, I don't know. I just like seeing YouTubers in stores. It's kind of fun. I'm easily amused, I guess. Oh gosh, they have the ColourPop stuff too. Do I want that? No, I don't think that anybody asked for that. Nobody asked for that. I can't get it. Nobody asked for it. All right, I found the e.l.f. liquid eyeshadows. Which one is probably the most me shade? Probably this one, or maybe one of these two. Let's do this one. Let's do Bling Bling. Blang 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 Blang. Primer infused blush. Is this it? No, that's a powder. I don't see. Oh man, they don't have them. Oh well. All right, here's my Milani section. Do they have the cream blushes? Is that what the cream blushes are? They're liquid blushes, but I think the cream blushes were like in a pan like those, but cream. I think that was what y'all were talking about. I don't think it was the liquid. Oh, but it says new on it. So okay, I'll just get this. I've never tried this, so let's just pretend that this is what you meant. This is probably, I don't know, one of these two is probably the most me shade. Let's try this one. There we go. All right. I'm kind of tempted to get this as my gift set. because there's stuff in there I've never tried before. There's definitely some things I'm curious about, but then some things I don't know. Oh, or they have this one. Oh, which one? Probably, we have the lashes one too. I'm thinking maybe this one. I think I'm gonna get that one. Let's try it. I seriously wish Revolution had better quality makeup, because this stand, I like these are so freaking cute, but I know they're gonna suck. Like if I was 16, I would collect these. I know I would. Like look how cute these are. They're so cute. Have you tried any of this stuff that's like the hokey Revolution stuff? They copied off of Glam Light for this probably. You can't open it to see obviously, but yeah. Okay, I'm parting from the list for just a second because I'm giving in this. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? And it looks like it's protecting and hydrating. Do I need this? No. But it's a banana shaped lip balm and I have to. I can't resist it. I can't walk away. I have to. It's going in there. Oh my gosh, they have a little gift set of these. I have heard such good things about these. Audra from Audra at Home uses, I forget which one she uses. She'll have to tell me. She'll yell at me for not knowing. No, she won't. But this one looks like it's kind of been opened. So I'm going to take this one because I've heard these are great. These are makeup removers. It's cleansing balms. So let's try them. That's awesome. I'm thinking about maybe getting some press-on nails. I haven't gotten nails like this in so long. Like I was probably a teenager the last time I got nails, but I know so many people use these, so I don't know which one should I get. Let's try it. Let's have fun. What about these? These are cute. I'm thinking maybe these. It says medium. I feel like I'm a small kind of person. I don't know. Those are really cute though. Okay, I think I'm gonna get these. How much are they? $8.29. Oh my gosh. Am I gonna be able to keep them on? That's the question. And will it stick out over my nail though? Because I have long nails. I guess I can trim my nails. My nails are junky. I just realized. I'm like showing you my junky nails. I think I need these. All right, I'm getting them. All right, I think that's some good damage. Let's go check out. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Too much. Too much stuff. Oh my gosh. I went a little crazy. I went a little higher than I wanted to. That was a lot, but we're gonna have fun. And that's what it's all about, is having fun. And we're gonna have fun. Yes. All right. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate this into a few videos. So this is the shopping one. We'll definitely do a pampering video, and maybe we'll do one specifically on the lip set and try all of that stuff out. And then maybe a third one on all of the rest of the makeup. So like a skincare one, a makeup one, and then one dedicated to the lip stuff. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much to Native for sponsoring this video. With sponsorships like Native, I am able to make these crazy shopping trips possible. So thank you very much, and mad love to you. I hope you're doing well wherever you are, and I will see you in a video very soon. Bye! Oh, a little champagne supernova to get me home. The sky, someday you will find me. Was this your jam? Back in the 90s? It's my jam. But you had to wait for it to come on the radio. Or you had to sit at your tape player and you had to hit record. It's the only way.